Sounds like new Oreo cheesecake is Dad's DIY slip and slide.
This is what I'm afraid of right here.
S'mores is a backyard campfire under the stars. And new frosted.
A lot of, well, it's just a bunch of sanding. The only major dents is right here, which I'm freaking afraid of. That may be a challenge on both sides. That's gonna, I don't know, it's just a lot of sanding mostly. I'm gonna pull the doors out, right?
Yep.
Freaking do door jams.
Yep. Yeah, we still gotta build the wood structure for here and then carpet that also.
Kevin's got the front end disassembled.
Tearing it apart still, so. Yep.
Alright, that's where we're at. After we sand it, we'll bring you back, right, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Right? We'll get this done. We're looking at what? Less than a week?
Yeah, we're looking at 5 days.
5 days.
5 days total.
Give or take, unless we could kick more ass.
Exactly.
Alright. That came out nice.
Oh, fuck yeah. That hood was a bitch. Because there's all those little fucking pits.
Yeah, freaking gravel.
Whoever
Chips.
painted this fucking thing didn't know what the fuck they were doing.
Yeah, I sanded a few runs too on this side.
Yeah.
Good job, Kevin. Good job, buddy.
We're getting there, buddy.
Yeah.
We're
Next step is freaking bondo work, body work.
Fuck yeah.
And we're good to go.